Protection of intellectual properties in Microsoft Excel, with IT Vision Enterprise Vision Protector software. How the files are protected. Now, let us have a look at how Vision Protector for the protection of Microsoft Excel software protects Excel files. Excel is a spreadsheet management software. It is also greatly used to develop software. Excel files and software developed using Excel, just like other documents from other Microsoft Office applications, are not protected from piracy. Vision Protector for the protection of Microsoft Excel can protect Excel files and Excel software from piracy. In most cases, Excel files are used interactively. That is, data entered in an Excel worksheet are expected to generate results. The end user may need to print out the result of the data inputted into the Excel worksheet. For this reason, there are two types of Vision Protector software for the protection of Microsoft Excel. One allows printing, and the other does not. In this tutorial, we shall consider Vision Protector for the protection of Microsoft Excel, where printing is not allowed. Also, a Vision Protector for the protection of Microsoft Excel software is designed to protect only one Excel file or software. With the Vision Protector software for Excel already installed on the end-user PC. To access the software, the end-user should have a unique password and unique activation key assigned to the PC. In order to get the unique password and unique activation key, the end-user should run a key generator on the PC as shown. A key generated is in lowercase and uppercases for clarity. The key is sent to the author of the file. The author uses part of the key to generate a unique password and a unique activation key to access the software as follows. This is the password to all the Word documents. This is the password to access the software. This is the activation key. The password and activation key generated are copied and sent to the end user. With this, the end user will access the software as follows. 1. Run the software Vision Protector for the protection of Excel. On first use of the software, it will be necessary to click the button labeled before starting for information on the software. The pop-up gives the following information. The software is designed to be used on the English version of Microsoft Windows, together with the English version of Microsoft Office 2007, and newer versions of Microsoft Office. Please make sure Microsoft Office is installed on your PC. You will not be able to access the required documents. 1. Without English US, Great Britain, or Ghana version of Microsoft Office installed on this PC. 2. Without the unique password assigned to this PC. 3. Without the correct activation key. 4. If the version of Microsoft Office installed on the PC is older than the version of the protected files provided by the author of the files. Note that attempting to print, duplicate, export, etc. may result in an error message which may close the software abruptly. 2. Close the pop-up. 3. Copy and paste the password and activation key into their appropriate text boxes. 4. Save the password and click the OK button. The protected Excel file is opened on clicking the button, Access Microsoft Excel. It is not possible to screen print the protected Excel file. Print the protected Excel file using the Ctrl+P command, or through the print menu. Note that the print menu is not dimmed, however the end user will not be able to print the Excel file. The Excel file will close on clicking the button. On clicking the Quit Microsoft Excel Restore Microsoft Excel and PC to his original mode button, the software is terminated. If the end user is to access the Excel file once again, and clicks the Save As button, in an attempt to change the password, he will not have access to the Save As dialog box. Also, Clicking the Save and Send menu, a number of menus and sub-menus pop up, however it will not be possible to use any of the facilities. As an example, when the Create PDF/XPS menu item is clicked, a dialog box quickly opens and closes, so no operation can be done. Also, it will not be possible to copy from the Excel worksheet and paste into an Excel worksheet, or any other application. Notice that the Paste menu item has been dimmed. The author of the Excel worksheet can hide formulae, protect cells etc., using Excel inbuilt facilities. The Excel workbook is then closed. On clicking the Quit Microsoft Excel Restore Microsoft Excel and PC to its original mode button, the software is terminated. End of tutorial for protection of Excel with VisionProtector software. Thanks for watching this video.